I am Gregorio Aco Jr. An advantage of a dynamic array is its flexibility. Unlike a static array or a fixed array, a dynamic array can grow or shrink depending on the requirements of the program. This is especially helpful when the data that we need to store is not known at the beginning, like the user accounts, shopping lists from a shopping app, or the number of inquiries from client in a day. However, the downside or disadvantage of a dynamic array is that it can take up more memory during runtime. Because a dynamic array changes its size, it could allocate blocks of memory and could cause a slowdown in the program. In summary, the main advantage of a dynamic array is that it is very flexible. It can accommodate changes in the sizes or in the size of an array. While its disadvantage is that it could take up more memory and can cause slowdown in the program.